One day, technology is your best friend. The next day, it's your worst enemy. When business devices break down and we can't get our jobs done, it feels like the world is ending. While we all want to get value for money, running assets like desktop PCs, laptops, or smartphones until they break isn't the best way. Avoid this apocalypse with 3-Step IT's lifecycle management services. You can adopt all the latest technology you need with a choice of financing options so that you can reliably plan and allocate future IT expenditure. You can oversee all your assets, new and old, through a single asset management portal, giving you a consistent view of who has what, where, and the software on each device. You can gain insights into the performance and well-being of each device, so that you can proactively address emerging support issues before they have an impact. And when your old devices have been replaced, you can sustainably and securely dispose of them, along with certified data destruction that wipes sensitive data from each machine. Look at your desk workers. With newer equipment to use, they feel valued and happier about coming into work in the morning because they're using the very latest devices that don't need endless maintenance and repairs from your busy IT team. Here's one of your mobile and agile staff who is always on the move. With more compatible and versatile technology, he won't be having any more meltdowns with his tablet, wherever he chooses to spend his day. And it's even party time in the boardroom. Your CEO feels more optimistic about the business potential of IT, while your chairman is looking forward to the future growth and better sustainability that regular refresh brings. These jolly people are your HR and finance directors, celebrating that the workforce is more content and that the future IT spend is more predictable. Wouldn't it be great if your workforce could feel empowered by the latest technology and equipment? Wouldn't it be great if you could keep it that way without breaking the bank? Wouldn't it be great if your relationship with technology could make your business feel this happy every day? Visit 3stepit.com today and find out how we can help you make it happen.